There are many different nuclear reactors which contain and control the chain reactions. They essentially work in the same way and are at the heart of nuclear power plants. A large nuclear reactor makes large amounts of electricity and it needs a lot of water to stay cool. It's usually placed near the sea so that a water supply can be easily incorporated within the system to help with cooling. A small modular reactor is a fraction of the size of a conventional nuclear power reactor and has more flexibility with where it can be situated due to its smaller footprint. As they are manufactured in a modular way, each module can be fabricated in a factory and transported to the site. Therefore, cost and build time are potentially more certain. These new manufacturing technologies can help us to speed up the process of building new plants and help secure nuclear energy in the wider energy mix.